Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us understand about Blob Snapshots in Azure Storage Account. Blob Snapshots is a feature under data protection of Azure Storage Account. It helps us to preserve the current state of file. Assume you have uploaded a file to a storage account and you have modified that file a lot, and if you want to go back to the previous state of file, it is possible with snapshots. You can understand this like a kind of backup mechanism. Go to portal.azure.com. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free and go into the storage account. If you don't have a storage account, you can follow the link that is there at the top. Click on containers, create a new container. And I am giving the access level as blob anonymous read access for blob only and clicking on create. Now go inside the container and upload a file. The file is uploaded. Click on the file and you can see the content by clicking on this edit button. So this is the content here. So I'm just adding more content before creating a snapshot and I'm saving the file. Now I'm creating a snapshot by going into the snapshots and click on create snapshot. It creates an element over here and this will have the current state of file. Now I'm going to modify the file again and changing it as sample after creating this snapshot, and I'm saving it now. The file is saved, and now if you want to go back to the previous state, it is possible. Let me create a snapshot for this as well. A snapshot is created and edit it again. Now save the file. Now if you go back to the snapshots, there are two snapshots available. If you want to go back to the previous state of file, you can choose any of these snapshots that you have created. I want to revert the file back to its original state, so I'm selecting the first snapshot and clicking on promote snapshot. Now if you go to the edit, it shows the initial state of the file, and later if you want to go back to the second snapshot, you can do that. You can select the snapshot and click on promote, and if you go to the edit, it shows that particular snapshot content. And if you want to see the content, you can see the content by clicking on the sample.txt. Here we have the URL. We have given the blob anonymous read access only, so that's the reason it is accessible using the URL. If you select the private endpoint, it is not possible. So if you see here, this has sample after creating the snapshot. Let us click on the first one, take the URL, and this is having sample before creating a snapshot. So this is all about the snapshot. One more thing is, if you want to delete this blob, you must have to delete all the snapshots. So let us go back here, select this sample.txt and click on delete. And here it asks you to delete the blob snapshots. And I'm not selecting it right now and clicking on OK. So it says fail to delete the blobs. Now again, select the file, delete, and also delete blob snapshots. Click on OK. If you like my explanation, please give a thumbs up to this video and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.